Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter 8 of 8th class, comparing quantities, recalling ratios and percentage. Ratio क्या होता है? Comparison of two quantity by division gives a ratio between them. Percentage means per means per. Percentage means century. Part per hundred. The symbol is a percentage. इसका मेथड यूनिटरी मेथड. द यूनिटरी मेथड इज ए तकनीक फॉर सॉल्विंग ए प्रॉब्लम बाय फर्स्ट फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ए सिंगल यूनिट एंड दैन फाइंडिंग द नेसेसरी वैल्यू बाय मल्टीप्लाई बाय द सिंगल यूनिट वैल्यूज. फाइंडिंग इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज इन द परसेंटेज. How much is 170 increased by 20%? 20 over 100 multiply 170. जे जीरो जीरो ना कैंसिल होगी, या जीरो जीरो ना कैंसिल होगी. 17 मल्टीप्लाई 2 34. So 170 is increased by 20%. 170 plus 34 204. Find the percentage change when 1200 is increased to 1380. Here 1380 minus 1200, 180. We have to find how much percentage 180 of 1200. X over 100 multiply 1200. 0 के साथ 0 का 180. X is equal to 15%. X is equal to 50%. What is 23% of 200? 23 over 100 मल्टीप्लाई 200. 0 के साथ 0 काट गई. 23 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 46. सो 23 ऑफ 200 इज 46. द प्राइस ऑफ शुगर गोज अप 25%. बाय वट परसेंटेज द कंजप्शन ऑफ शुगर वी रिड्यूस टू सो एज नाउ टू इंक्रीज द एक्सपेंडिचर. लेट द कंजप्शन ऑफ शुगर बी 100 kg एंड प्राइस बी हंड्रेड्स. As price goes up to 25%, 20. Now price 100 plus 25. Now price 100 plus 25, 125. So 1 kg of sugar is at 125. 125 sugar is equal to 100 kg. For 1 rupee sugar 100 over 25. Then 100 rupees sugar available. 100 over 25 multiply 100. 80 kg. Further consumption was 100 kg and now it must be 80 kg. Therefore the consumption must be reduced to by 100 minus 80, 20%. The income of government obviously is increased by 75. By what percent the new income must be reduced to restore the original income? Let the income of the official be 100. Increase of 75. Hence the new income 100 plus 70 be 175. Reduction on 175 is 75. Reduction on 100, 75 over 175 multiply 100. 42.86. Misika gets 128 marks in her exam. This amount to 64% of the total marks. What is the total marks? Let the maximum mark be x. Then 64% of x is equal to 128. 64 over 100 multiply x is equal to 128. X is equal to 128 multiply 100 over 64. 128 को 64 से डिवाइड किया 200. Therefore total marks is equal to 200. Now profit and loss. Profit and loss. Profit क्या होता है? SP माइनस CP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit, loss, CP minus SP, CP is equal to loss plus SP, SP is equal to CP minus loss. Cost price. The price at which goods are or have been bought by shopkeeper is known as cost price. Selling price. It is the price at which a good or a commodity is sold by a shopkeeper to a customer. Now, profit percent. Profit of CP multiply 100. Loss percent, loss of cost price multiply 100. If CP is 500 and gain or profit is 20%, then SP. CP 500, profit 20. Profit is equal to profit of cost price multiply 100. So 20 is equal to profit over 500 multiply 100. Profit is equal to 20 multiply 500 over 100. जीरो के साथ जीरो काट के बेटा 20 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 100. सो प्रॉफिट 100. प्रॉफिट SP माइनस CP. SP is equal to profit plus CP. 500 plus 100 equal to 600. Ram purchased 140 banana at the rate of 5 per banana, 5 rupees per banana. He sold 70% of the banana at the rate of 6 rupees per banana and the remaining banana at the rate of 4 rupees per banana. Find the profit and loss of percent. Cost price of 140 banana is 140 minus multiply 5, 700. 70% of the banana, 70 over 100 multiply 140, 98 bananas. So 98 bananas are sold at 6 per banana. Selling price of 98 bananas is 98 multiply 6, 588. Remaining banana 140 minus 98, 42. 42 bananas were sold at 4 rupees per banana. Selling price of 42 bananas, 42 multiply 4, 168. Total selling price of 140 bananas, 588 plus 168, 756. SP greater than CP. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. 756 minus 776. Profit percent of profit over cost price multiply 100. 56 over 700 multiply 100. 8%. By selling a carton for 126.90 per meter, a drop to loss is 6%. For how much should we sell the carton to gain 4%? Selling price of carton 126.90 per meter, loss 6%. Selling price to gain 4%. Loss over cost price multiply 100. So SP is equal to CP minus loss. So SP is equal to CP minus CP multiply loss percent over 100. 100 multiply SP over 100 minus loss percent. 100 multiply 126.90 over 100 minus 6. 196, 90 over 94, 135. So SP 130 required gain 4%. SP 100 plus gain percent over 100 is equal to multiply CP. SP is equal to 100 plus 4 over 100 multiply 135. 104 multiply 135 over 100. 140.40. So SP 144.40. Thanks. Have a nice day.